everyone, how are you doing? So, if you watched my last video, you would have known that I accidentally bought a designer bag. And a lot of people on my social media ask me, oh, why Bottega pouch? Is it still a thing in 2022? Why this purple? Is it versatile? Yes. That's why I want to do this video, and let's do a styling session together to see whether this actually is versatile. So, let's go. So first of all, you can already tell like this works really well together as a pop of color. So this dress is from Age and Sophia Webb's the heels from like a million years ago. And yeah, see, that looks really good. Going out for lunch with your girlfriend, going dinner with your partner and things like that. It works really well. So I'm gonna try it with some color heels, like let's say whether a green or purple. Let's try both. We have a winner. Yeah, just like that. A pop of color. What do you think? Oh, I should try other color shoes as well. Let's say the Bottega green. So just some vintage sneakers. That was from the op shop. That's purchased. See, told you it's this. But hey, might be too soon to judge. Let me put on a colorful dress and see if this still works. Be right back. So this is from an Australian brand called Age, and their designs are quite cool. Like this is the front, that's the back. Excuse the tan line, but that's quite cool there. So, see if this still works. I like it. Oh yeah. I would totally go out like this. What do you think? I love it. Let me put on a more masculine, like suit kind of outfit and see if it still works with this bag. What do you think? I think it works. Why not? So this is from a Korean e-commerce called thesourceunknown.com, and I really like the shape of it. And the pants are from Gucci. Just pairing it with a classic gladiator sunglasses. And so what do you think? Is it too loud? Does it still work? Otherwise, I would tone it down a little bit with an all brown suit. This is a Zara suit that I got in 2018. Money Cartel, an Australian brand. Ooh, that works. I'm loving it. Oh, you know what? Hold it right there. So these are from the Specs, an Australian brand, and I just love that oversized 70s like retro look. So let's try this one. With glasses? Without glasses? With glasses. Yeah, that works. That works. Oh, you know what? What is another benefit of this bag? Felt like a really good stress ball. Like a really good comfort bag to face your worst enemy. And you know what? Like if I have period pain, this is the one that I have like on my stomach that time of the month. Like, Zara does have some good clothing sometimes, but my problem with Zara is their ethical issues aside, like their price point being that cheap also means that people like me could potentially shop really impulsively at Zara, so I need to watch out and be careful not to buy too many things that I do not need. So this works. I'm happy. Let's try styling that bag with some more casual look, shall we? So this is from Bag & Bridge. I'm normally a size 8, but I bought a size 10 of this because I want that snugly fit kind of feeling. I don't want it to be too like fitted, but I just want it a bit more cash, like showing a bit of figure, but not too tight so that I can eat lots and not feel like this like and my lug boots. This is from Alia's made. That is the dupe of Bottega. Try that on. Ta-da! That works, isn't it? Yeah, I think some point this year I'll buy in original Bottega lug boots as well, seeing how this trend really suits me. Yeah, so that's how I try a new trend sometimes. Like if I'm not confident if that style will suit me or not, I will just buy like a quality dupe version and then try it on for like 6 months and figure out if that kind of style suits me. So this really works. So I will look into an original Bottega lug boots. So many colors to choose from. So yeah, let's do one more casual outfit. I'm loving this styling game. So this blazer belongs to Andrew, but it's also mine because I married him. Fitted, baggy, super baggy. The same boots. Ta-da! I think that works. Yep. Definitely getting an original Bottega this year. Maybe the same color. Maybe the white one. Maybe the black one with color sole. So yeah, if you ask me, is this bag versatile? Absolutely. Is the Bottega trend gonna last forever? Probably not. But who cares? The bag suits my personality, suits my style. I love it. There's no regret. For me, fashion is all about having fun. If you're not having fun, why are you buying all these things? So yeah, that's it for me today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you had fun, because I did. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and remember to press the bell button so that you get notified whenever there's a new video coming out. Have a lovely day and I hope to see you on my next video. Ciao.